Hello. This is Teacher Nan and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be presenting to you on how to create your own copy of Electronic Modified Learner Enrollment and Survey Form. Before I will start, please consider clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell, so that you will be updated to the educational video tutorials that I will be uploading in my channel. Let's begin by clicking the link. Click the three dots on the upper right side of the screen. Click Make a Copy. Click OK. Close the tab or add another tab and type www.google.commander. Click the six dots on the upper right side of the screen. Click Google Drive. Click the copy of the Modified Learner Enrollment and Survey Form in your drive and edit or remove the header. To edit the header, click the Customize Theme icon. Then, click the X on the image upload to remove the header. You can also upload another image to customize your header. To share the Modified Learner Electronic and Survey Form, go to your Google Drive. Right-click the form. Click Get Link. Change the permission to Restricted. Click Copy Link. Click Done. Open your Messenger and paste the link on the group chat of your previous class advisory. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.